Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to write off bad debt in Xero. Writing off a bad debt in Xero is about clearing an unpaid invoice won't be collected while recording the expense properly for your accounts. I'll guide you through the exact path to do that cleanly and keep your reports accurate. Start on your Xero homepage. From the top menu, open Sales. In the Sales area, go into Invoices so you're looking at your list of customer invoices. Switch to the Awaiting Payment view to see what's still outstanding. Find the invoice you need to write off and open it. This should be the one where collection efforts have been exhausted and you've decided it's uncollectible for accounting purposes. On the invoice, open the More Options menu, the three dots in the corner. Choose Create and Apply Credit. Xero will prepare a credit note that will be applied back to this invoice to clear the balance. This is the correct method because it offsets the receivable and moves the cost to your bad debts expense instead of deleting history. On the credit note, update the description to clearly say bad debt write-off. Keeping the wording consistent helps your audit trail and makes it obvious to anyone reviewing your file why this adjustment exists. Next, change the account on the line item from your sales or revenue account to your bad debts expense account. This ensures the write-off is recognized as an expense rather than reducing your sales figures. If you track tax, make sure the tax setting on the credit matches the original invoice or local tax guidance, and check the date so the write-off lands in the correct reporting period. Confirm the amount on the credit matches exactly what you're writing off. If you're only writing off part of the invoice, adjust the line amount accordingly so the remaining balance stays outstanding. Clear, specific line details now will save time during month-end reviews. Once those details are in place, Xero applies the credit to the invoice, bringing the balance to zero and moving it out of your unpaid list. To finish up, head back to your sales overview. You should see that the invoice no longer appears under awaiting payment, and your aged receivables will reflect the updated balance. A few quick tips before we wrap. Document your collection attempts in the invoice or credit note notes for reference. Make sure you have the right user permissions to create credits, and if you're unsure about tax treatment in your region, check with your accountant. That's it. Your bad debt is written off correctly in Xero.